Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to find your Spotify Wrapped 2023. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify, and this is how the application looks like once you open it. So I am right now in my library. Right here in the bottom, you're gonna find four sections: Home, Search, Your Library, and Premium. So basically, guys, you can't find wraps in your library. You need to go to the home section. And right here, as you can see, guys, in the top, you're going to find your profile icon. From here, you can view your profile. Here, you're going to find all music, podcasts, and lastly, wrapped. So once you click on wrapped right here you're going to find your wrapped, your top songs, 2023 in music, merge for you, live events, and lastly, create a blend. If you click on your wraps, as you can see, guys, from here, you can see your Spotify Wrapped 2023. It looks like a story from Instagram, but the music playing in the background is a song from the songs that you listen to the most this year. If you want to see your top listened song in 2023, click on your top songs, and right here you're gonna find the list that includes all of the songs that you listen to the most. And here you're gonna find a playlist, some playlists that you listen to in 2023. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.